Shri Shri Ramakrishna Kathamrita, Volume 1. Introduction. A brief life sketch of Thakur Sri Ramakrishna. Birth of Shri Ramakrishna, father Khudiram and mother Chandramani, primary school, worship of Raghuveer, company of sadhus and listening to the Puranas, beholds a miraculous light, comes to Calcutta and company of sadhus at Kali temple in Dakshineshwar, sees a miraculous divine form, Thakur-like one mad company of sadhus, Bhairavi, Brahmani, Totapuri and Thakur's listening to Vedanta at the Kali temple, practices spiritual disciplines according to the Tantra and the Puranas. Thakur's talk with the Mother of the Universe goes on pilgrimage, Thakur's inner circle, Thakur and his devotees, Thakur and the Brahmo Samaj, reconciliation of all religions, Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, and so on, Thakur's women devotees, his family of devotees. Sri Ramakrishna was born to a pious Brahmin family in the inland village of Kamarpukur on the second lunar day of the bright fortnight of Falgun. The village is in the Hooghly district, about 8 miles west of Jahanabad, Arambagh, and about 26 miles south of Burdwan. There is a difference of opinion on the date of his birth. During Sri Ramakrishna's illness, Ambika Acharya read his horoscope and dated his birth on the 3rd of Kartik, 1286 Bengali year AD 1879. This gives a date of 1756 Shaka, the 10th of Falgun, Wednesday, the second day of the bright fortnight, Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra. His calculation is 1756 109 59 12. On the other hand, Kshatranath Bhatt's calculation in 1300 Bengali year is 1754 10 9 0 12. According to this calculation, it is 1754 Shaka, the 10th of Falgun, Wednesday, the second day of the bright fortnight, Purv Bhadrapada, 1239 Bengali year, 20th February 1833, all tally. At this time there is a conjunction of the Sun, the Moon and Mercury. It is the sign of Aquarius. Because of the conjunction of Jupiter and Venus, he would be the chief of a religious sect. Narayana Jyotirbhushan made a new horoscope at Blurmad according to his calculation 1242 Bengali year 6th of Falgun Wednesday 17th February 1836 4 am, the second day of the bright fortnight of Falgun, when there is a conjunction of the three planets, all the points tally except the 10th of Falgun given by Ambika Acharya, 1757 10 5 59 28 21. Sri Ramakrishna lived for 50 years. Thakur's father, Shri Khudiram Chatterjee, was a man of firm faith and great devotion. His mother, Chandramani Devi, was the personification of simplicity and kindness. They had lived in a village called Dere about 3 miles from Kamarpukur, but because of problems relating to Khudiram's refusal to give evidence in a lawsuit in favor of the landlord at Dere, he moved to Kamarpukur with his family. Sri Ramakrishna's childhood name was Gadadhar. He learned elementary reading in primary school, but the arithmetic book by Suvankara confused him, so he left school to stay at home and attend to the household deity Raghuveer. He himself plucked flowers for worship and performed the daily puja. His voice was exquisitely sweet, and he could sing almost all the songs he heard in theatrical performances. He was cheerful from childhood. Everyone in the neighborhood, men and women and children, loved him dearly and felt the attraction of his cheerful nature. Holy men frequently visited a guest house at the garden of the Lahas near Gadadhar's home. He would visit them there and serve them. And when the storytellers read from the Puranas, he would listen with rapt attention. In this way, he learned all the stories of the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Srimad Bhagavad. One day, when he was 11 years old, Thakur crossed a field to Anur, a nearby village. He later narrated how he had suddenly lost all sense consciousness when he saw a miraculous light. Popple thought he had fainted, but he had attained the superconscious state of Bhav Samadhi. After the death of his father, Khudiram, Thakur came to Calcutta with his elder brother. He was then 17 or 18 years old. In Calcutta, he spent some days at Nathar Bagan and a few days at the house of Govinda Chatterjee in Jamapukur. He performed puja there, as well as at the house of the Mitra family in Jamapukur. Rani Rasmani dedicated the Kali temple at Dakshineshwar, which is about 5 miles from Calcutta, on the 18th of Jaishat 1262 Bengali year. Sun Yatra Day, Thursday, 31 May 1855. Sri Ramakrishna's elder brother, Pandit Ram Kumar, was appointed the first priest of the Kali temple. Thakur used to go there often from Calcutta. In time, he also was engaged for the puja work. He was at that time 21 or 22 years old. His second brother, Rameshwar, also sometime performed puja in the Kali temple. He had two sons, Ramlal and Shivaram, and a daughter, Lakshmani Devi. After Sri Ramakrishna had performed the worship for some time, a change came over him. He would remain sitting before the image of the mother, completely absorbed.